إياك نستعين. You're supposed to seek Allah's help that you continue in His worship. This keeps a person humble. It keeps us to our own level of conscience that we're not able to worship Allah Azza wa Jal unless He gives us the strength and the ability to do so. Then the worship and to remain continuous upon worship really has nothing to do with physical strength. Yani, I give you an example. If we had an 80-year-old and a 20-year-old, sometimes you have this. The 80-year-old is worshipping. He must have prayed the night prayer. He's fasting that day. He's upon his adhkar. Allahu Akbar, things are going good. The 20-year-old, he's not fasting that day. Barely he's praying his fara'id. He didn't pray the night. He slept the entire night. What happened? Yani, certainly the 20-year-old had more body strength and physical strength than the 80-year-old. But the thing is, and even so the case, if you had two 20-year-olds, one of them is worshipping and upon worship, and the other one has nothing to do with worship. Even the difference was spiritual strength. The worship, it doesn't require strength of the body. Worship requires strength of the heart, of the mind, of the soul. And this is why no one can inject power in your heart, in your mind, in your soul, other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your physical body, anyone can inject it with anything. Steroids, GH, whatever it is, people that inject in their body to grow stronger. But does that help you worship Allah? Does it help the people worship Allah? It doesn't. No matter what helps you worship Allah is the spiritual strength. And you can only seek this from Allah because it's in the hands of Allah and no one can give it but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even when you make these kind of dua, Allahumma a'inni ala dhikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadatik. When you say this kind of dua, you're asking Allah Azza wa Jal to give you that strength. Worship is not about the physical strength. What proves this is that there are many ahkam in the Quran wa Sunnah that deal with the physical issue. So if someone is sick, no problem, sit down and pray. If someone is sick and he can't fast, no problems, fast other days. Whatever it is, Islam came to accommodate for every physical situation. If you're sick, if you're disabled, if you cannot stand, if you have back problems, no problem. This is no problem. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam directs us how to deal with this. Sit down, lie down, make wudu this way, at-tayammum here, no problems. Innama the spiritual strength, this is where you want. And no one can give you this but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For this is advice of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiyallahu anhu. For one of the means in how you're going to seek Allah's help upon continuous worship of Him is by asking Him subhanahu wa ta'ala to make the worship easy upon you.